In this video, I'm going to copy across the content for the class notebook. So in my new team, I'm going to choose the class notebook tab. It's going to ask me would I like to set one up. I'm going to set it up, but from existing content. I'm going to go through this wizard. This just informs me what will be in the notebook. I'm choosing next, and it's here that I'm going to import previous content. So I'm going to add content from a notebook from last year. So from 8G's notebook last year, I'm going to select the sections that I'd like to add, and in this case I'm going to copy in the entire content library. So I'm going to choose these fields and click done. And again, I can do that for the teacher only section. Again, I'll choose last year's teacher only notebook, go to the teacher only section, which I don't think I used last year. Well, sorry, I did. And I can copy that across and hit next. In this screen, it's asked me what tabs or sections I'd like to include in the student's notebook. Generally, I'm just going to leave a section for homework and handouts. You can rename these if you wish, and I'm going to create this notebook. This will take some time to populate, but all the students will then have a copy of the teacher notebook.